Fluctuate. To go up and down in number or amount without a clear pattern. Example: stock prices can fluctuate based on market conditions. Stagnant. Not flowing or moving, showing no activity or progress. Example: the stagnant water became a breeding ground for mosquitoes. Eminent. Famous and respected within a particular sphere. Example: the eminent scientist was awarded for his groundbreaking research. Demeanor. The way someone acts or carries themselves. Example: despite the bad news, he maintained a calm demeanor. Hostile. Unfriendly or acting like an enemy. Example: the meeting became hostile when disagreements arose. Grumble. Complain or protest in a bad-tempered way. Example: he tends to grumble whenever he has to wake up early. Pragmatic. Handling things in a practical and realistic way. Example: her pragmatic approach helped solve the complex problem efficiently. Notorious. Famous or well-known, usually for something bad. Example: the notorious criminal was finally captured after years on the run. Vicarious. Experienced in the imagination through the feelings or actions of another person. Example: she enjoyed the vicarious thrill of reading adventure novels. Undermine. Slowly wear away the bottom of something, making it weaker. Example: constant criticism can undermine a person's confidence. Apathy. Not showing interest, excitement, or care. Example: voter apathy can lead to low participation in elections. Wary. Being careful about possible dangers or problems. Example: he was wary of strangers after the incident last year. Cohesive. Coming together to form a single, united group. Example: the team worked in a cohesive manner to achieve their goals. Brevity. Using few and clear words in writing or speech. Example: The brevity of his speech made it impactful and memorable. Tenacious. Trying hard to hold on to something. Persistent. Example: her tenacious spirit helped her overcome numerous challenges. Diverge. To separate from another route, especially a main one. Example: the two roads diverge just outside the village. Emulate. To copy someone or something to equal or do better than them. Example: she tried to emulate her older brother's success in academics. Resilient. Able to recover quickly from difficulties. Strong. Example: the resilient community rebuilt after the devastating flood. Glimpse. A brief or quick view or look. Example: I caught a glimpse of the celebrity as she left the restaurant. Frivolous. Not having any serious purpose or value. Example: the lawyer dismissed the case as frivolous and without merit. Illuminate. To light up or make clear. Example: the streetlights illuminated the path during the night walk. Heinous. Completely evil or extremely bad. Example: the criminal's heinous crimes shocked the community. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more knowledgeable videos.